Good morning guys, welcome back to the channel. Right, today, concrete day. So what we've done in preparation for that, we've set the laser level up to the right height we want the concrete. So this thing here, in shot there, and we've got the laser over there, it's spinning around. So what that does, that emits a beam across to this, and then when you get the right height, if you have a look, there we go, if it's turned on, there you go, you can just about hear it. So as soon as that flat lines, that is the height of the concrete we want. So that is my job today. Obviously I've got the hardest job. So just in case you hadn't seen before, with all the footings are dug out, all nice and scraped out, so there's no loose. That pipe there is going to be moved outside the trench once it's all concreted. That pipe there, with this little inspection chamber, is going to be moved outside. So we're going to have to move that a little bit over to the right, just to angle it a little bit more. So that's going over to there. The boys have already set up pretty much everything before I've got here this morning, so we've got boys standing over there where the concrete's being poured. Nice little runway here. So ideally it would be nice to get a pump, but when we've got so many boys, Barrett. So once the concrete's here, we'll get back to you soon. Concrete's just arrived now, so what we'll do, we'll set you up on time lapse and let you watch what we're doing. Right, 8 cube down, roughly three to go. So we've emptied one wagon, just waiting for the other one to turn up. Hopefully he'll be here soon. I've just had a phone call saying he's going to be a little bit late, so hopefully not too late. I'll just show you where we are now. No doubt you're just seeing on the GoPro where we are. So got all this levelled off all the way around here, nice and level. Got that there smoothed off a little bit because we've got a still connecting to that. So this is where we are, up to this rough little bit here. Got that there pad done, ready for the pier to go up. So we'll get back to you as soon as the other concrete comes. So we only waited literally 5 minutes and the other wagon's turned up. We can literally take exactly what we need off this one. So 8 cube on the last one, roughly 2.5 to 3 on this one. So yeah, we'll crack on, get back to you. go, guys. Right, so concrete is now complete. I'll just show you the finished product. There she is. Spin you around here. Right, 800 wide at the front, 600 everywhere else. Boys are cleaning up, getting water everywhere. So yeah, there you go. Fast and furious. Like an hour and a half. All the boys are knackered. I'm actually quite fresh because I've just been on the pole all day. So okay, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell in this corner, and we'll see you on the next one.